You don't need to be rich to benefit from an estate plan. I'll tell you why in just a minute. Hi, I'm Gary DeWitt from the DeWitt Law Firm, where we help save your family from the ordeals of probate. Worry less and get your affairs in order without confusion and complexity, no matter how much you have or how old you are. If you have questions about this or anything else, you can book a time to talk to me over the phone or in person for free by going to planwithgary.com. You may not have a large estate, but you and your family can benefit from an estate plan. I want to start by making some statements and decide if you agree or disagree with each one. I want my spouse to remarry to be happy and then leave all my money to her new spouse and spouse's kids. I want my kids to get their entire inheritance in a lump sum when they are 18. I want my irresponsible sibling that I wouldn't even let babysit my kids manage my money and get control of my children. I want my children to lose half of what I give them to a divorce. I want my family to lose 6% or more of what I leave them in probate court. I want the court to appoint an irresponsible child or other irresponsible person to manage my legal and financial affairs if I can't. I want my children to lose everything I leave them to creditors, financial predators, or lose it all in a lawsuit judgment. If you disagreed with any of the previous statements, then a plan would benefit you and your family. The truth is, nobody wants those things to happen. You plan to make sure those things don't happen. You'll notice I didn't ask if you had a lot of money, a complicated estate, or if you're a celebrity with a lot of rights to songs and movies to fight over. You may not have more than $50,000 in a house to leave behind, but that doesn't mean that you want your spouse and children to fight over it or lose half of it in a divorce. You may not have a lot to leave, but that doesn't mean you want the court giving custody of your children to a relative you wouldn't even let babysit them. You may not have much, but that doesn't mean you want the court giving control of your affairs to an irresponsible person. These are the problems that estate planning solves, and these problems don't have anything to do with how much you have. If you have questions about this or anything else, you can set up a time to talk to me for free over the phone or in person by going to planwithgary.com.